to a shul, and you know how, since I don't speak Hebrew, I only speak English and Spanish, so I go to a shul, how do I keep up with the prayers? Or should I pray by myself? Or should I get somebody next to me that he could tell me to, hey, we're here, we're on page here, and he could, go with his finger along with the words? How do I keep up with the minyan or whoever's there at that moment?
That's a very good question, and I always wanted to give class on Siddur and give all of the insights about the Siddur, but only if everybody agreed to get the same Siddur, so we can do that. So let's put it on some later date, so we can still talk about it. So I can give you the pages and what to do. So basically, you buy yourself ArtScroll Siddur, right? I can send to everybody, and there is English translation, and there is exactly direct, exact specific instructions what to do. So you don't need to sit to anybody, right? You just come, right? Sit by yourself. You know what prayer today is, right? Today is morning. Okay, morning what? Shabbos, holiday? No, today is a weekday. Okay, so today is weekday. So I'm reading what are the prayers for the morning of the weekday. So, and first day you would be 40 minutes late. So they would go home and you're on page 10, right? But don't think they something wrong with them. It's something wrong with you. Not you person, but something wrong with a new person. So you start reading, and then you get familiar with the text, and you see what other people do. So if they all stand, you stand. They all sit, you sit. In some cases, they would stand there, you sit, or you sit on the stand, but it's after you learn. So at the beginning, you just try to keep up, right? Keep up and go in your own speed. So Beezrat Hashem. So you please send your thoughts on the chat if you all want to buy the same Siddur, or some of them maybe have the same Siddur. We can give classes on Siddur. In my other groups, we give, everybody got the same one, and it was very, very educational, very, very successful. I think people loved it, and they asked me the question, and I literally I opened the page, and they told me what to do on this page, and I see there is instruction. People don't read instruction, even though I said many times, please read. So, but when I explained that this is instruction on the third line in small letters, oh, yeah, that's instruction right there. So maybe we can do it one day. Okay, but okay, you don't be shy. So nobody's looking at you. Don't expect people run up to you and offer help. Just take it easy. Just find an empty spot. Sit by yourself and start reading and observe what people do. That's it. That's what we do. Especially people come for the first time. Yeah. Go ahead.
In the show that I went, the Hazan, he said, okay, we're in page, he said the page number. And I was like, oh, okay, so I'm here. Okay, so we're here. So if it's the Shema and the Amidah, I know the Shema and the Amidah, we can't talk. So I was like, okay, so I'm going to just finish the Shema and then head to the Amidah, finish, because I know we have to finish before we can do anything. Is that okay?
You're asking big question. Let's put this question for the next time, because Shulchan Aruch said you're not allowed to talk in a shul period. When? Never. Okay, so let's talk about another time. So let's okay. I want to feedback from people. If you want to do maybe 15 minutes, we'll select which day, 15 minutes of the class about the Siddur, and other people, if you don't want to buy the same Siddur, you can just look at your Siddur and do the same. Okay. But that's you're asking huge question, and we don't have time for that. Okay, but that's the general idea. Okay, what else? Yeah. Any other questions?
Thank you. That sounds amazing.
Yes. Okay. Amazing. Okay. So I want to feedback from other people. So if you want to do it, at least majority wants to do it, but everybody is going to benefit. So in one of my these classes that we had on the Siddur, we have a person who's done it for 15 years. They did not know the pages. They did not know what to do. They tried to keep it with the timing. Unbelievable. Go ahead. Any question? Go ahead. Sorry. Anybody? Or we stop here?
I was going to say, well, so for sure, it's a great idea, and we love to learn.
Okay. No problem.